y'all. So, okay, I'm trying to get myself in. But this is going to be a birthday maintenance vlog / get ready with me. My birthday is Friday. Today is currently Wednesday. So I'm about to go get my hair done. And then I have to do my nails and my feet. I do my own nails and feet and eyebrows and eyelashes and all of that. I can do my hair too. I'm just not doing it for my birthday. It's just not happening. I already really don't want to do my nails, but I think it's time for me to find a nail tech because I want to actually give y'all like nail content and stuff like that. But I don't want to do my nails, if that makes sense. I don't always want to show y'all me doing my nails when I'm getting my nails done. But anyways, make a long story short, I just wanted to come and open up the vlog and tell y'all hey, and tell y'all what we doing. So I'm going on a birthday trip as well, so I got a lot of stuff to do before Friday morning, before my birthday. So let's go. I just left the hair store or whatever to get my hair and all the other stuff that I need, and now I'm on my way to my hair appointment. Y'all, I did my makeup in the car, y'all, and it came out so cute. Actually, I just wanted to do like a little soft natural situation so that when I get my hair done and I, you know, show y'all the style or whatever, I won't just be doll face. So yeah, I did my makeup real quick. Girl, watch out, watch where you going. Did my makeup and we are on our way. Like I said, I'm not that far from my hairdresser, so that's good. I don't gotta go that far. But yeah, y'all, look at it. Do y'all see? My face looks so pretty. I look so pretty. But yeah. So you guys, I am here. I'm just waiting for her to pull up. I actually have my clip-ins, and I got these from Amazon. Let me show y'all. They look like. But I was gonna keep this in, but my best friend was like, no, get your hair done. So my best friend is actually doing my hair. So when she get her, I'm gonna put her on the camera or whatever. But yeah, I'm just waiting for her to pull up, y'all. Or whatever. I can't wait to see my hair. It's gonna be so cute. I already know. Every style she do, for the record, every style she do, she cut up. Okay? She eat it down. I play too much, but not for real. So, in a minute, y'all. Under the dryer. Oh, this hot. I'm gonna be fine. Period. It's so cute. Good morning. Good morning. So, last night I was up until 4 or something. Doing my toes, yeah. My toes. Well, I had to, like, do my pedicure, lay my acrylic, like my little overlay and stuff like that. And I didn't get done until 4:30 in the morning. I started late, but I was up doing that for a long time. But anyways, it's the next morning, y'all. Good morning again. It's 8:34 right now. Y'all see my ghetto scarf. I got some tights around my head. But woke up early so I can get my nails finished. I got to do some running today. Like, I need to get some makeup stuff. I need to get some little, I don't know, a little running outfit. I don't know, like a outfit for the road, because I guess I'm just gonna go shopping when I get there. Like, this is the first trip I ever took without having no clothes. Like, normally I'd be overpacked. Y'all, I ain't packed nothing. I don't have nothing to pack. I mean, I could pack old clothes, but I ain't wearing nothing old. And then, like, you know how you still, when you buy a whole bunch of stuff and you still got and you still got, like, pieces with the tag on them? Like, I got stuff like that, but it's still considered old to me. What y'all think? Like, do y'all think the same thing? Like, 'cause I think if I have something already in my closet and then I'm gonna go somewhere, I think it's because it's really my birthday. 'Cause if it was just like a regular trip, then I would take it. But because it's my birthday, I just don't want to wear nothing that I already have in my closet. Besides the stuff that I said I was gonna wear, and that's more like pieces and stuff. But yeah, I just wanted to get on here and tell y'all good morning. We might go to Starbucks in a minute because I'm kind of sleepy still, and I'm gonna need the energy to get through the day. And then I said I'm just gonna get up early, get all the stuff done that I need to get done, and then go to sleep early because I got a busy day tomorrow. Tomorrow's the big day. But yeah, so I'm doing my nails right now. These are the tips I use. And then, so crazy. Both hands. It's done. I got tips on. So yeah, I'm gonna come down. So I am all done, and this is the end of this vlog. Thank you for watching.